with her sister.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the third video of our LA trip vlog series. It is 2 a.m. right now, which is like 14 hours till our flight, and because it is 2 a.m. my whole family is asleep, so this video might be a little bit of an ASMR moment, but let's get it started. I don't have any other time where I could film this video except now, so let's get into it. And I do want to film this video because not only to show y'all, but to document this for myself, for the travel agency, for the authorities, should any of these go missing because I was robbed, or because Air Canada lost my stuff, or just because I lost it and need to know what I have to replace and what I should mourn over. So let's get into it. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, there's still a lot of room left in my suitcase, but it was just like, I don't know what else I'm supposed to pack. Let me get a second angle for y'all. I'm gonna show you most, if not everything, of what I packed, because there are some things that you'll notice. Tina, how come you didn't even pack a toothbrush? How come you didn't even pack toothpaste? Well, that's because my sister packed those instead, because we're sharing them. We're not sharing the toothbrushes, it's just that it's a new pack of 2. Anyways, let me show you what we're working with. Here we have our suitcase. This just fell out. It's not supposed to be like that, but it literally just fell out. As you can see, there's a lot more room left, and also I did not even use this compartment at all. Here we have our carry-on, and also like the personal items that that's not going to be in either of these, but we're just holding them, right? Anyways, let's start off with our suitcase. Here we have 6 outfits planned, and if you want to see what the outfits are, I'm not going to show you them now because I just previously posted a video of me planning my outfits, so you can see those outfits there. I put them in these organizer things just to keep it more tidy, just to keep it more roomy. I got these from Shein, sorry. And I put tape and wrote stuff on it so I knew what outfit was for what. I tried to organize them in the date I'll be wearing them. Universal's on Sunday. This is what I'm wearing on Monday, which is the 4th day of the trip. This is what I'm wearing to The Voice. This is my The Voice outfit on Tuesday, the 5th day of the trip. This is what I'm wearing on Wednesday. And it's just some extra tank tops in there because there was room. This is what I'm wearing on Friday to Jingle Ball. And that's what I'm wearing on Saturday, the second last day of the trip, to Disneyland. Now you're wondering, Tina, there's a few missing days. I'll get to that. So that's literally all that's in that side of my suitcase. Well, let's move on here. There's nothing here. I did not know what to put there. Mind you, also, some of the things we will be buying at Target there. You know, we're just going to America. It's not like I'm going to my hometown in Vietnam where it's like a rural area and you can't buy things that you're missing. You can just go to Target or something and get them. Anyways, this side of the suitcase, it's just like the extras, and there's really so much room. So if we ever like buy something from the States and to bring back home, there's gonna be room for that. Here we have all our masks, which I feel like should go in the carry-on. So I'm gonna put that there. Here we have, what are these? These are socks. There's like a good 8 pairs in there, including my compression socks. So let me show you. 3 pairs of red socks, 1 pair of my compression socks for Disneyland and Universal, maybe the concerts, and 2 pairs of more Reebok. Here we have my bras, my Walmart bras in here, and these 2 Shein bras. But I will be wearing, at the airport, I will be wearing my Licenza bra. Licenza? Victoria's Secret? I have no idea. This is my lotion, I just threw it in here. These are my elastics, because I have braces, and I have to wear elastics. See? I'm wearing it right now. This is a brown hairbrush thing. I don't even brush my hair, I'll be real with y'all. I just depend on conditioner and call it a day, but I'll bring it anyways. These are my biker shorts. There's like 4 biker shorts in here. These are my biker shorts from Amazon. Banger. I'll be wearing them to Disneyland, Universal, so I don't get chub rub. These are all my headbands. I just packed whatever in case I needed them. My undies, I packed so many. There's my deodorant. These are my scrunchies. This is my accessories box that only has like 3 necklaces. Here I have my sunscreen. It's running out. My sunscreen, it's all out. My BTS lotion, my Olaplex shampoo, and my Olaplex conditioner. And you're like, Tina, it's running out. Listen, a little goes a long way. And we're only going for 10 days. And I believe the last thing I have in my suitcase is a result of the pandemic and impulsive shopping. Toilet seat covers. You know, literally the ones you would find in a fancy washroom, because not all washrooms have them, girl. and that's why I got these. But I'm not trying to hold in my pee all day in public, and I'm not trying to catch any viruses or STDs as I'm peeing, because I guess I could squat, but sometimes you just want to sit. But anyways, so that's what this is for. So maybe once per day I'll pack like 2 in my fanny pack, which you'll see later, and then call it a day. And that is literally all in my suitcase. I feel like I have nothing, but that means more room for shopping. My dad bought the suitcase. I have no idea where from. Okay, now we're on to our carry-on. Here we have this side of the carry-on, and it is packed with what looks like mostly clothes. We actually have here 1 army bomb, another army bomb, shielded in clothes, because I do not want that bitch to break, and I did not want to put it in my suitcase in case it might have broken there, because I be seeing videos of the people working at airports just throwing suitcases, but also in case it gets like suspicious stuff, you know, and they have to look at it and then they throw away my my army bomb because they didn't know what it was. Here we have, I packed my concert outfit. This is my concert outfit because the concert day is literally the day after we arrive. And I was like, since, you know, the carry-on is always with you, right? If something happens to my luggage and it gets lost, I don't want to be like outfitless. So at least I have an outfit for the concert. But my outfit for the concert is here, along with the clear bag that you have to bring for the concert. My clear bag is from the Sweetener World Tour. That's that. And then here we have some home pants. I literally have 3 of the same pants for home pants, which is like my sleeping pants. I only pack shorts because LA. Here we have 2 home shirts wrapped around my army bomb. I tie-dyed this myself. I did that. Another home shirt is the army bomb that was in between all those shirts. There's the army bomb. Batteries are not inside, batteries are in here. There are 6 batteries, so 3 each, which means there's no extras, which means I'll probably buy some from Target. But I'm packing the batteries in your carry-on because I don't think batteries are allowed in your suitcase. Next, we have another home t-shirt, the Army Bomb version 3. And I used the case just for the packing, but I don't think you're allowed to put your army bomb in this case in your clear bag. Now moving on to the other side of my carry-on, there's nothing in here as well. We have the mask again, 5 different colors. We have my charger. So here we have like a big cube thing, adapter thing. I don't remember what it's called, but it has a plug, 2 USB plugs and 1 USB-C plug. So I have 3 wires in here. This wire here is my iPhone charger wire. This wire here is my MacBook wire, USB-C. And this one here is an Android charger wire for charging my camera batteries and charging my portable chargers. So that's that. And then here we have these 2 portable door lock things that I'm sure you've seen all over TikTok. That's where I saw it, and that's where I was like, okay, I need this. This big pocket here is obviously my laptop and the headphones for my laptop. There's a back pocket here. I don't think I put anything in there. Yeah, there's nothing in there. Here is the front pocket, and what do we have? We have the charger for my camera batteries. Here we have the adapter for my laptop. There's an SD card port, so I can just take the SD card out of my camera and directly into my laptop. And this here is my external hard drive for the LA trip. So whenever we're running out of space, we're just gonna save it onto this hard drive. This is fully new. I have one like this already, the exact same one, but I bought a whole new one because I'm not gonna bring the one I have now because that has a lot of backed up storage on that already. In the case that I have to throw it out at the airport, I don't want to lose all my saved stuff. And I think that's it for the laptop case. We also have a pen in there, but the last stuff in the carry-on are just like papers. These are our Moon for Gin cover. Excuse the ugly handwriting. That's mine. Those are Moon for Gin covers that you would have seen me make in the very first LA trip vlog, which is the planning stages. This is the voice documents, so like tickets and stuff. And these are theme parks, so these are tickets for Disneyland and Universal. My sister is bringing a backpack for a carry-on, and since I have like a small suitcase for my carry-on, I will not be holding the envelopes with the flight tickets and our vaccine and COVID test. But that is all from the carry-on. Okay, here we have the stuff we'll be holding, our personal items, which are, first of all, my vlogging camera, as well as case for my vlogging camera. So here it is. What's all that's in here is one battery. As you saw, there was a battery in my laptop case, there's a battery in the camera, and there's a battery here. And I think I'll put another memory card in here as well. But the memory card is in my DSLR because we're filming right now. So hopefully I don't forget that. We also have this tripod selfie stick thing. I don't even know if they'll let me have this because like, what the hell is this? Looks like a weapon. And lastly, we have our fanny pack. Here I added a coil keychain. Aw, so cute. And should I run into BTS on the streets, they will know I'm an army. Here we have, oh, headphones. I was gonna say nothing but headphones, because apparently you have to bring your own headphones to watch movies on the airplane now. I guess for sanitary reasons. And in our main pocket, we have the things that must be on me at all times, which is sunscreen, hand sanitizer, my passport holder, my passport, my health card, some extra cash. These are like my rewards card for Air Canada and stuff. And these papers here are all my vaccine receipts and proofs. In here, I also have my portable charger and all my cash that I'm bringing for the trip. That, I believe, is everything that I have packed for now. I don't know if I'll add stuff, but that is all that I will be showing y'all for now. So thank you so much everyone for tuning in. Thank you for joining the journey. I hope you look forward to the rest. As always, all the links to this journey as well as the playlist will be in the description once they're all out. And maybe at the end I'll do a review of what I forgot to pack, what I should have packed, and what I brought back. But that is all for now. Thank you so much everyone. I'm gonna go to sleep. Tomorrow's my flight. It's at night though, so it's okay. See ya. Wow, these are really cheap stickers and I feel like they might fall off and then someone's gonna think I'm an OT6 to Soul stan, and we don't want that happening, but in the stickers we believe.
This is more than a crash, more than like more than a laugh. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't keeping ass. This is more than a crash, more than like more than a laugh. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't keeping ass. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.